and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got another pair of Vans trainers. So we've got the Vans Upland Chunky Leather trainers, black and a white colour scheme. Got these off ASOS, $52.50, normally £95. Let's have a look. Here we are, real leather, black and white colour scheme, chunky sole. Pretty good. I have tried these on already. Comfort says about average, not amazing, but not too bad. So yeah, average. There's the second one. So what I'll do now is I'll try them on and I'll show you what they look like. See you in a sec. Welcome back. So here they are on. See what you think. If you like the trainers, or you like the video, found any of it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Thanks very much, guys. See you next time.